Here we have plaster walls with wood fern strips. This is what they used for back in the day to mortar the wall, and that's cement right there, to mortar the wall and then plaster the wall. The mortar would smooth over here and lock into the line, the seamings of the fern strips, and then inside of it, it'll be looking like this. So what I have to do, I had to take this wall out, remove that piece. Now I have to insert 2 new studs. What I had to do, I had to clear this right here. I don't know, all this right here. Had to smooth it to this thickness right here. Smooth it so that my replacing 2x4 can fit smoothly up in here against this 2x4 here. So I have some support of my new piece of drywall that I have to put here. So this is the first step of plastering repair. Okay, we back at it. I replaced the studs and I secured it with 16D screws. Well, 16-inch through, well, 2 and 3-inch screws. So make sure it was flush with the inner stud, like right down in there, flush with it, right here, and at the same time with up at the top. So therefore, the thickness you have from here to here, or here to here, will be the thickness of the, well, this wall here has to be. So, repairing, plastering wall. Next stage. Okay, I guess this will be the third phase. As you see, I added thickness, a bar to the thickness of drywall. I got a 5/8 drywall here. I got a 1/2-inch drywall here and here to take up more spots, to create less mudding. That way I won't have to, put as much mud to blend all of this area in. Right here, right there, and down here. Because I already did though. I gotta do a second coat all through here in order to plumb everything out. It's getting there. So that's the phase process of plaster repairing. As you see, solid. Next phase. Okay, now we have the plastering, drywall plastering area covered up with mud, as you see. This is just the first layer. The second layer is to smooth everything out once I wet wipe the already existing 45-minute set plaster. And this way, everything can be done in a timely fashion. But as you see, everything is covered and it's flush with other existing walls. So I just need to coat straight across here and there and get everything on the second run. But I also got to put a shelf back there so the closet will have like a storage area at the same time, clothing area. Pausing, talk to you later.